Guys, welcome back to Trevlyn, Ghana. My name's Linda and I'm here with the lovely
Nora.
Hello and welcome back to us. Now, if you don't know already, Trevlyn Ghana is a real estate company. We do sales, lettings, and we also do land acquisition and much, much more. So if you need anything like that, if we can entice you back to Ghana, please do contact us with our details down below. Now, without further ado, I'm here with somebody else. Yes, it's not Trevor, it's Nora, and she's from a luxurious new property that we're here to bring you exclusively, okay, by a wonderful design company. If you don't already know them, it's Key Architects, okay? They've done multiple properties in Ghana, but this is their biggest project that actually includes design and construction. They've given you the likes of Aris, Beyond, which will show you some clips as well. Beautifully done, high-end, quality, luxurious.
Impeccable finishing.
Exactly, premium finishing. So without further ado, over to you. So where are we and what are you doing for us today?
Okay, welcome to the site of Euphoria. We are located at Airport Residential on the Patrice Lumumba Street, very close to Volta Place.
Literally in the heart of Accra, in the heart, like literally walking distance to your top restaurants, to clinics, hospitals, everywhere is so close, isn't it?
Yeah, we are just 5 minutes from the Kotoka International Airport.
Wow.
We have some fine dining restaurants around us, coffee shops, just 2 minutes, 3 minutes. We have the Cafe Coffee Shop. We have Pinocchio.
Wow.
If you know, properties that are close to the airport carries a lot of value. So the closer you are to the airport, the more value you have.
Why is that? I've always wondered, people want to be close to the airport in Ghana and Accra. Why do you think that is?
Because everybody wants to avoid traffic, getting to their flight. People don't want to miss their flight and all that. So it's that simple.
And I guess that's where all the key things are, like you said.
Exactly, because people want to get close to the airport, especially the diasporans. It's important that we have certain amenities here. So here you have the embassies, you have international corporations, you have the fine dining restaurants here, you have some cafes here, you have the best of the best international schools here. Yes. Security-wise, there's the airport police station right across the street. It's just 2 minutes away from this side. So here is a very strategic location.
So what's your... Well, you said a lot of things are quite special.
Yeah.
What would you say is a unique thing about this property? Like, why must somebody watching buy this property?
The reason why you should purchase an apartment here at Euphoria is that we are giving you ready markets for your unit. People that are renting our office spaces here have direct access to your apartment, and so they can rent from you. And this is research-based. We've noticed that there's a lot of demand for office spaces and then commercial spaces within close proximity.
Yeah.
So this is a very good opportunity for you. We also have international schools like Association International School.
Yeah.
We do have Engelbert School, and we have Safari International School. We also have the popular Nyaho Hospital, which is just 4 minutes away. So we have everything at your beck and call. It will interest you that this location is just 13 minutes away from Cantonment and Laboni and 15 minutes away from Osu, where all the parties and then the nightlife is. So we are at a very strategic location.
Yes, very strategic. So should we head off to the office?
Yes, let's go to the office.
Hi, Nora.
Hi, welcome to Euphoria.
Thank you so much. So can you give us a bit of information about Euphoria and what you're bringing to the table?
About Euphoria, it's a 13-story multi-purpose development located at Airport Residential Area, specifically on the Patrice Lumumba Street, very close to Lennox Apartment or Volta Place. So we have the 60 residential apartments, which starts from 1 bedrooms, 2 and 3 bedrooms, and we have the penthouses. Also, we have the office space, and then we have the commercial spaces, which are exclusively private. They are all separate. They have their own entrances. They have their own parking spaces. We have 3-level basement parking, which is very unique. offering
3 levels.
Exactly. We have 3-level basement parking. So the residential side has its own parking space, and then the commercial also has its own, and then the office space also has its own. We, aside the normal facilities every apartment has, we also have the rooftop swimming pool.
Oh,
yes,
nice on a
yes.
nice sunny day.
Yeah, we have the tennis court, which also doubles as a basketball court, and then we have the kids playground, and we have a fully equipped gym. Also, we have the forecourt of the office complex where people can sit and relax. We are also looking at restaurants, some fine dining restaurants.
Yes.
We also are planning on having a pharmacy and other nice social amenities that we can have.
They love their pharmacies. Like there's a pharmacy.
Exactly. We're also thinking of a very nice coffee shop.
Okay.
Yes.
That's good.
And then the office spaces, we are looking at renting them to high-level companies like luxury car brands. Also, offers the homeowner a ready market, because you have people who are working in the office spaces wanting to rent your space.
That's quite unique, isn't
Exactly,
it?
exactly.
A commercial and you have residential on the same ground.
This is the first of its kind.
It's the first in Accra.
Yes,
Wow.
and when we really did our research, and we realized that it's something of a high demand.
Okay.
That is why we thought of bringing in this
Makes
concept.
sense. Yeah. Especially when you want to reduce those commutes, especially when there's traffic.
Yeah, no one wants to be in traffic.
No one
wants to be in traffic.
To and from work. And you said it's quite, each side is...
It's mutually
separate.
exclusive. So there's no direct access from the residential units to the commercial or the office space units.
Okay, that's important safety-wise.
Exactly.
As well. And
And
what other safety features do you have on the development?
safety features, we have the CCTV cameras, we have the fire extinguishers, we have the fire alarms, and any other safety precautions or
Security
checklists.
as well,
Yeah, security. Yeah, we have 24-hour security. That is standard.
Yeah.
That is standard.
Right, so you have a reception area as well, do you?
We have a lovely reception with lovely ladies and gentlemen
Oh, good.
who welcome you to the space. Yeah, so there's a reception.
And is there somebody there all the time?
24/7, there's someone there to serve you.
So we've started on building, right? And when are we hoping, or when are we finishing?
Yes, like you said, we started this year, 1st of March, and we are completing first quarter of 2028. It's given the investor 36 months to pay or make the flexible payment plan, interest-free payment plan.
Sorry? Say that again.
Interest-free
I was
payment
shocked.
plan, yes.
Really?
Yes.
For that entire period?
Yeah,
You can
36
spread the
months.
costs. Okay. We'll talk about that later then. And I know there's a special promotion going on, which is very limited, which you'll tell us about that later as well, isn't it?
Exactly, I'll tell you.
I guess you may have noticed we kept looking over to the right. We have something special just on the right. It's an amazing model plan, actually. Should we go and take a look?
Definitely.
Yeah.
Welcome to Euphoria. So upon entering, you have the visitors parking area, and people who are also visiting the office space or commercial space, it can also have their parking here, very huge. Then you enter into the reception I spoke about. You meet our nice ladies and gentlemen to welcome you. And then this right here are the 60 units I spoke about of the 1, 2, and 3 bedrooms. And then these are the penthouses, the 4 penthouses, which has their own swimming pool and then terraces. And then you look at this also, this is the office spaces that we have. We are looking at renting out when they are completed, like I said, to high-level companies and institutions. So we have the commercial space down there, and it's 2,000 square meter commercial space. We're looking at renting them to fine dining restaurants, coffee shops, and then some other
High-end stores.
pharmacies, shopping malls. You know, so you have, it's a package, it's a whole package. The basement parking, I don't know if you can come to this side.
Yeah, let's go and have a look. Okay, so it goes down, obviously there, down to the basement.
Yeah, so this is the basement parking. It goes down to the 3-level basement parking. And then you come back here to the tennis court or the basketball court, also here. And then the kids' playground too, we have them here. And then when you look up here, we have the rooftop swimming pool, and then we have the gym, and then all the other amenities are also embedded in this.
Good. So this is the
these are the penthouses.
there.
Yeah, we have each of them has its own swimming pool, and then they have their own terraces. So basically, this is it. We appreciate greens. So each floor is having some greens around. They're natural. They're going to be natural flowers or plants. So these are just to show you how.
Yeah, they're all around here. You can see also on this side.
But even the balconies, this model is not fully done.
Yeah.
So when they're fully done, you realize that each apartment, the balcony has some plants.
Each one.
Each one of them.
Nice. Okay guys, that's it. You've come to the end of the video and I can't wait to see the updates from Nora in the future. Now, we've got a special promotion offer that they've offered just exclusively. Now, it hasn't even gone through their launch yet, has it? They haven't even launched this property. That's how exclusive it is. So if you get there before then, which will be by the end of September, you can secure not 5% discount, not even 10%, not 50. It's actually a 20% off the retail price of these properties. Now that means you have 1-bedroom apartment starting from $247,000.
That is an executive 1-bedroom.
Yes.
And the size is actually 74 square meters.
Wow, you see? As she said before, this is not a small size. So please get your skates on and secure this deal. You only have up to the end of September to secure this, okay? Now, I know some of you will be asking payment plans, so over to you.
Before I touch on the payment plan, it's important to emphasize on the sizes of these units. Our 1-bedroom executive is starting at 74 square meters. Our 2 bedrooms are starting at 115 square meters.
Wow.
And our 3 bedrooms are over 300 square meters.
Wow.
This is incredible. On to our payment plan. So we have 3 payment methods. The outright payment, which attracts more discounts, and then we have our flexible interest-free payment plan of 36 months. And then also we have the mortgage option, which we need to discuss with you. With our payment plan, you first make a reservation fee of $5,000, which is refundable within the first 30 days. So within the first 30 days, if you decide to proceed, then you make a 25% deposit, and the rest is spread across till the month of completion. Note, this is interest-free payment plan of 36 months, and we are assuring you of completing in the first quarter of 2028.
Wow, amazing, amazing. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
We've loved having you on, and we look forward to what you have to show us with the future updates, okay?
Definitely.
Okay, thank you guys. We've come to the end of this property tour today. Now, if you like what you've seen, please give us a call. The description of this property are in the description box down below, okay? Now, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss out on what Trevlyn Ghana has to offer you in the future. Take care.